Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Dunk Low by Nike and Off-White in the Lot 21 colorway. Before I start, it brings me great sadness to say rest in peace Virgil Abloh. He was a big inspiration to me and his impact to the world will never be forgotten. These released in mid-August 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £165. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Nike Sneakers app and it comes in a brown Off-White branded Nike box with cutout circles. The production SKU can be seen on the lid with the style code DM1602100. Open up the box, comes with shoes in orange Off-White wrapping paper. No accessories come with this pair. Although I like the duct tape design, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is number 21 out of the 50 Off-White Dunk Low lot pack. It features a cream white cotton canvas upper with perforations at the toe box. Light grey smooth leather overlays its upper with grey continuing on its outsole with a baby blue tongue, Off-White branded insoles and matching zip tag. It's then finished off with purple bungee cord overlays, and I like the green hit and lot number details on the lateral heel. These are one of my favourite colorways on the pack. It's great for the summer with nice materials overall. Let me know your favourite colorway from the lot series in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please comment off to show me you watch this video to the end. It's Samuel Sagwa on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.